Hi, VencoreWeather.com meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Thursday, July 21st. Excessive heat is coming to the I-95 corridor. It'll actually become quite warm this afternoon with high temperatures in D.C., Philadelphia, New York City near the 90-degree mark, and then at or above 90 degrees on Friday, and then well up in the 90s on Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and perhaps Tuesday as well. This is climatologically speaking the hottest time of the summer season. Third week of July or so, if you look up the statistics, is usually climatological basis, the hottest time of the year. So it'll be quite difficult to break records. I do expect some records, but not widespread records, as again, it's quite difficult to achieve records this time of the year. This, for example, I wanted to show right at the onset, is the way it looked on July 20th. That was yesterday's date back in 1934. Of course, the 1930s, one of the hottest decades ever, with numerous records throughout the summer seasons in the 1930s. This is from 1934. Just look at that widespread 100-plus degree readings almost from coast to coast on this particular date, or yesterday's date, back in 1934. So again, widespread records will be quite difficult this weekend. Nonetheless, excessive heat is coming to D.C., Philadelphia, and New York City, and it'll stick around for at least 3 days, perhaps 4 days, from Saturday right into Tuesday of next week. Well, let's talk about the upcoming heat wave for the Mid-Atlantic region. Wanted to start off with the European ensemble run from last night and the 500 millibar height anomaly chart for Sunday evening, early Sunday evening. Sunday could turn out to be the hottest of the days, but again, Saturday, Sunday, Monday will be way up in the 90s. Some isolated 100-degree readings are possible. Again, this is the 500 millibar height anomaly chart for Sunday evening. A couple things to point out here. First of all, high pressure centered over the southwestern U.S., the Four Corners region, in the upper levels of the atmosphere. But another one also centered right here over the Tennessee Valley. And that's the reason for the widespread hot weather expected by the weekend. Notice the oranges throughout the northeastern part of the country come Sunday evening. On this particular map, oranges means that the height anomalies are showing higher pressures compared to normal. Indeed, that's what's happening here. A ridge throughout all levels of the atmosphere will be poking its way up through the northeastern part of the country by the latter part of the week, and hence hot conditions expected. This particular map from tropicaltidbits.com. Well, let's now take a look at the temperature anomalies in the lowest part of the atmosphere, the 850 millibar level, just a couple thousand feet up in the atmosphere. Gives us a great indication of what to expect down here at the surface level. This is from last night's 0Z European model run for this evening, Thursday evening. All these orange areas are above normal temperatures, a little bit colder than normal out over the Rockies, but just watch the movement of this excessive heat for this time of the year as it progresses towards the Mid-Atlantic region. Let's now jump ahead another 24 hours. And here we go. By Friday evening, lots of reds and oranges showing up along the East Coast. And here is Saturday evening, still basically the eastern half of the nation. Very hot conditions. Perhaps not record-breaking, but well above normal for this time of the year. And let's jump ahead to Sunday evening. Concentration of the heat above normal temperatures from the Great Lakes right into the Mid-Atlantic region. And finally, let's go 5 days out from last night's forecast run. Still quite hot Monday evening here with well above normal temperatures, and any colder than normal conditions confined to the Rockies for now. So a definite stretch of well above normal conditions coming to the Mid-Atlantic region. Again, near the 90-degree mark today, at or above 90 tomorrow, and then well up in the 90s on Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and perhaps Tuesday as well. Well, one last thing I wanted to point out in this morning's video is there is a frontal system, a weakening front that will approach late tomorrow night, late Friday night. It will develop some scattered showers and thunderstorms, but it is a weak front. It is a weakening front, and the chances for showers and thunderstorms is rather minimal, perhaps 30–40% in the I-95 corridor. If they do occur, it would be late tomorrow afternoon or tomorrow night, and we'll kind of follow the progression of last night's GFS model run. Again, all of these maps from tropicaltidbits.com. This is the forecast map for tomorrow morning, Friday morning. There is an area of showers out here over the eastern Great Lakes, but let's walk through this and see what happens. There's pretty much a weakening of the front as it comes to the east. This is the forecast map from last night's 0Z GFS model run for tomorrow evening. Some showers indicated here by the greens here on the GFS model run. Let's go out another 6 hours, and it's just some scattered stuff showing up here. There is indeed a trough of low pressure cutting through the weakening front right through the I-95 corridor region, but the precipitation associated with this weakening front is certainly unimpressive. By Saturday morning, it lies right along the East Coast, virtually rain-free conditions here in the Mid-Atlantic region. So not an impressive frontal passage at all. Late tomorrow night, there's a slight chance for a shower or thunderstorm, and given the nature of this front, the fact that it is weak and weakening, it will provide us with no relief in terms of the heat for the weekend. Could give us a little bit of a break in terms of humidity. Probably the most humid days of the next several will be Friday and then Monday, but very hot conditions expected for Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and perhaps even Tuesday as well. That's it for now. For VencoreWeather.com, I'm meteorologist Paul Dorian.